Hi, today I'm going to make three types of gift tags. One with plain, a bouquet of flowers and butterflies. For the first gift tag, you require crepe paper in any floral color. I've taken pink and green. Some matching glitter, so I've taken dark pink glitter. Paper for the background. I've taken light purple and white and a ribbon. Cut out a piece of green crepe paper about 1.5 centimeter wide by 7 centimeter long, and then just roll it up with your fingers like this all along the length, and then tighten the roll. Hold it for a few seconds so that it retains its shape, and you will get a stick like this. Now apply glue on one of the ends, about half a centimeter area, and dip this in the glitter. Tap off the extra and then let it dry. Now cut out a drop shaped piece from the pink crepe paper. This is about 2 centimeter long and 1 centimeter wide. Now just stretch it in the center like this. Then taking a pair of scissors, curl the point in the opposite direction. So you have a shape like this. Now take some glue and apply it on the base, on the lower side, like that, and stick it on top of the wire that we've made, the stem. So first just keep it like this, fold one side and then fold the other side over. So you have a calla lily like this. Now let it dry. I have made about 6 calla lilies, 3 in pink, 3 in white. Now just tie the base with a ribbon, piece of ribbon. Tie a bow around it. I have cut out 2 circles, one in light purple and one in white. Now apply glue on the white and stick the pink over. Leaving a little border like this. Now take the bunch that we've made, apply glue on the back and stick this wherever you want on the circle. Like this. And now with a punch, just make a hole on the top. Tie a ribbon through it. Here's a pretty little gift tag. For the second gift tag, I've taken green colored card, slightly thick, stiff card, blue paper, thin paper, and 2 colors in paper cords, pink and yellow. Then this is that scissors with edging, design edge, and a punch. From the blue paper, this is basically very thin origami paper. Cut out a triangle, a long triangle, and then roll this up, starting from the broad side, roll it up all the way, and this is how it will look, like a bead. Now with the cord, we're going to make loops just like it's done in quilling. In the same way, we're going to make wings of the butterfly. So just apply glue in the beginning and make a tiny little loop like this. Stick it, hold it for a few seconds so that it sticks very well. Then take it around like this. Press the point so you get a nice shape, and then make the loop again. Just apply glue here on the edge, stick it, then take it around again. This is just like quilling, as I mentioned earlier, so make 3 circles like this. This has to have 4 loops, not 3. So after you cut off the extra, just take the last bit, and this is what it will look like. And this happens sometimes. I've already made others like this. So you have 2 yellow which will have 5 loops and 2 pinks which will have 4 loops. For the base of the gift tag, I have taken a green colored card and cut it in a square shape with rounded corners. Now with the scissors, take any design scissors and cut out the edge. So you have a nice design edge. After you've cut this, now we're going to start assembling the butterfly. So apply glue on the bead that we'd made. This forms the body of the butterfly, and stick it at any place you want. Like this. Then take the bigger yellow piece, quilt piece, apply glue on the side like this, and stick it like this. For support, you can put something underneath, scissors or anything that you want, so that it stays upright. And similarly, I'm going to stick the pink piece below it like this. And I'll stick the other two the other side also. And this is how the butterfly would look. Now for the anthers, we're going to make take a blue cord and cut about 1 inch of the piece like this and unravel it. So you get 2 pieces like this. You can also use ordinary paper if you want and cut a strip, and then just curl one end into a circle like this, and then stick it on top of the butterfly. Now with a punch, just make a hole on one corner and put a ribbon through, or the cord as I am using. And here's your gift tag. The material required for this are a silver color sparkle pen, some foam, white acrylic paint, a punch, blade, some a hard color card, any color, a red colored paper, and yellow paper cord. Dip the sponge in the paint and put dabs of it on the paper. I've cut out a circle of this blue paper. Make it a bit cloud-like. Like this, and let it dry. On the red paper, draw out a plane. First the body, and the wings. So draw the wings like a boomerang. First a wide V, and then just like this. Now we're going to cut it out. Now with the silver pen, draw any design that you like, maybe lines or circles. And on the body of the plane, you can draw the screen. And whatever you do on this side, do it on the other side also. Now make a slit on the body of the plane. Cut it through. And then insert the wings through it. So you have a plane like this. And then we'll just stick it on the paper. So apply glue on the base. Stick the plane anywhere on the paper like this. Then take a punching and punch a hole and thread it with the paper cord. Here's your gift tag.